One and all. Today, I Sneha of class 11.
I Sharandeep of class 12.
Going to represent a human respiratory system.
Air is entered through a pair of nostrils. It leads to a nasal chamber and open into a pharynx. Pharynx is a common chamber for food and the air. Pharynx then open into the larynx and the larynx open into the trachea. Larynx is a cartilaginous box which help in the producing sound. During swallowing of the food, glottis or epiglottis prevent the entry of the food into the larynx.
After this trachea, which is windpipe, it is covered with the cartilaginous ring which prevent the collapsing during breathing. After that, the trachea is divided into two major parts. First is left bronchioles and second is right bronchioles. After that, bronchioles is a thin bag-like structure which is called the alveoli.
Alveoli is a thin elastic bag-like structure which help in the exchange of gases, CO2 and O2 across the lungs and the blood vessels. We have two lungs, left and right, which is covered by the double pleural. Pleural has its pleural fluid across its membrane.
The next one is diaphragm. It is a dome-shaped-like structure which is present in the lower part of the lungs. After that, inspiration when we breathe in and expiration when we breathe out.
In this structure, we have two major parts. First is the conducting part which starts from the nostrils and end to the bronchioles. Second is the exchanging part which is alveoli, which help in the exchange of gases CO2 and O2 across the membrane.
Now we explain about the disease caused by lung. First is asthma. Asthma when we difficulties in breathing. We use the asthma pump to inhale easily.
Emphysema. It is a chronic disorder in which alveolar walls get damaged. Main cause of this disease is cigarette smoking.
After that, we have COPD, chronic obstructive pulmonary disease.
Next is occupational respiratory disorders. In many industries, certain grinding or stone breaking is done due to which too much dust is produced. This causes serious lung damage. This can be prevented by wearing the mask. Prevention of these diseases. First is oxygen therapy. In this treatment, oxygen is delivered to you to breathe easily.
We use this oxygen mask to breathe easily. After that, the lungs transplant. It is a kind of surgery in which doctor removes the healthy diseased lung from our body and insert the healthy lung in our body.
Quit smoking. Quitting smoking is an important part of this treatment. Chemicals released from cigarettes, e-cigar can further damage your lungs.
After that, pranayam, yoga and walking helps to increase the lung capacity to fight with this kind of disease. This is all about our respiratory system. Thank you.